Hi everyone, my name is Jared. I'm the head of product here at Kolleno, and today I'm going to show you how to create a sales order within NetSuite. Just a quick reminder, what is Kolleno? Kolleno is a great tool that simplifies your financial operations. We plug directly into NetSuite, pull in your data, simplify your life. Check us out. So, how do we create a sales order within NetSuite? Step one is to, go to NetSuite, of course. Now keep in mind, each NetSuite, is laid out a little bit different. Yours might not look the exact same, but a couple of things hold true. You always have a search bar. Now, for a sales order, you can go to transactions. From there, go down to sales, and you can go enter sales order and just click that, and it will take you to the next screen, which is creating that sales order. Now, when you create the sales order, step one is to obviously assign it to a customer. So I'm going to go and assign it to a customer over here. Let's look for one quickly. Just run that search. So I'm going to assign it to Mac. And this will then now pull in all the information around that customer. You can see if it's got a asterisk, that means it's a mandatory field, which means you do have to fill that in depending on your own configuration. Each NetSuite might be laid out slightly different because depending on how your IT department sets it up, you might not have as many, or you might have more mandatory fields. Now, once we've got all that information over there, I'm going to scroll down over here. I can see currencies filled in, exchange rate. I'm just going to move this over. Now, obviously, it's really important to, have the item. So you can pull up that item over here, hit the quantity. You can see the description's already pulled through. I'm selling a 400 watt power supply. It's got all the amounts there. Really important. Tax code, very critical that that's filled in. And all the other information has also been filled in over here, so we're good. And basically from there, you can hit save, and what that will do, it's automatically going to create the sales order on that customer. So next time you go look for it, if you're a bit confused, you can either search for it in the sales order list view or go directly to that customer, Mac in this case, and you'll find it right there. If you're keen to learn more about how we can help you with NetSuite, please check out the rest of our videos. There's a whole list of help articles that you can follow.